Welcome to BJ's Digitals. Books, puzzles, and activities for all ages.
How does corn turn into popcorn? Popcorn starts as little kernels of corn, but how do they pop? Each kernel has a hard shell on the outside and soft, starchy stuff inside. Inside the starch, there's a tiny drop of water hiding. When we heat the kernel, the water turns into steam. The steam builds up pressure until pop. The starch inside puffs out and turns into the fluffy popcorn we eat. So, heat, steam, and pressure turn tiny kernels into tasty popcorn clouds. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Click one of these videos to keep exploring more books from BJ's Digitals. And subscribe so you never miss a new video.